As we arrived to the top of the escalator, we were greeted by Haven specific guest services, who you check in with. They already have all your names once you give them your room number. And then once you enter inside, you provide your passports to the guest services inside, which will then give you your keys. And there's a bunch of refreshments and food for you to have until they escort you on the ship. It's pretty amazing. As you step up to deck 17, where the main Haven entrance is at, you'll notice that concierge to your right here. This is where you get all your answered questions and get assisted to shows and get assisted to escorted off the ship in an employee elevator, which is much quicker and away from the rest of the ship. Got Haven rooms on the left, and you have a little hangout area. And morning. And you got the bar specific for Haven. Now this elevator is specific for Haven guests. It'll bring you up to the sun deck where there's 2 hot tubs, one on each side that overlooks with some stunning views. You got the Haven restaurant on 18, and you got the Haven courtyard, which is where we're currently at right now. You got the indoor Haven pool. Now it's not very big, but it doesn't get utilized a lot. That we've noticed on our trip. But the kids love being indoors, especially when it's raining. Like I said, deck 19, as you can see, the sun deck up there has 2 doors, one on each side that lead outside to amazing viewing points for each of the ports and the sun decks spas. It has some stunning views to the Hoover Glacier, which was amazing.
Here you'll find the Horizon Lounge. And this one is specific for Haven. Now the staff here is amazing. They're always coming in here checking on you, see if you need anything to drink, any food. But look at the views. Now it's currently raining right now, but the views are amazing, especially if you don't want to be outside in the cold. Viewing the Halberg Glacier from here was also pretty amazing, and a lot of people spent their time in here. Now you come over here, you got, you know, coffee at the ready. You got breakfast, lunch, and dinner snacks that they put out every day. That the kids love. Now here's deck 19, which is a sun deck that overlooks the Haven Pool and Spa. Now this area is specific to the Haven only, so you're going to notice that it's not crowded. We go outside, it's raining out right now, but I want to at least be able to see and show you. Use one of these ones, just swap over. But some of the views out here. Plenty of seating, which I will say, it is an Alaska cruise, but still plenty of seating if it was like a normal hot summer day if we were out here. But the spa, front of the ship viewing, and this wraps to the other side. Now we utilize this area to Halberg Glacier, which is amazing out here. Then you come to this side, and it's a secondary spa and additional seating and lounging on this side as well. Best spots to have a nice hot tub soak while viewing some of the amazing locations that Alaska has to offer. It was very breathtaking. Now let's head down to the Haven restaurant, specific to the Haven guests only. Now this staircase leads to deck 18, which is the restaurant, to the Haven. If you look over here, this is Haven specific suites on deck 18. But if you come over here to the Haven restaurant, they do offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner to Haven guests, and let me tell you, we haven't left here. It's been absolutely amazing. Check out the views. Same thing offered at the Haven restaurant as it is in the Haven lounge, but we also did the beautiful sun deck area. Actually, over here. Which you can utilize at lunchtime and stuff. They're setting up for breakfast. Morning. As you can see, this is specific to the Haven, and it overlooks the entire ship. But honestly, it's raining outside, so you can't use it right now. But some of the views here are amazing for lunchtime. And the restaurant has some great menu options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner that we didn't even utilize any other specialty dining in the ship. We've always come back to here, and the service has been amazing.
Welcome to our Haven room, 15146, which is a family veranda, over 500 square feet, with a walk-in closet that me and my wife used, plenty of storage for both of us, with a safe and a lot of shoe space as well. As you can see, the drawers open pretty big, and they have a magnetic close. The butler got us a nice bottle of champagne for our first cruise. Has a king bed, which is a really comfortable bed, and custom pillows that you can get from them. Makeup area for the ladies, my daughter and wife, and the military package that we got from Norwegian as a thank you. We'll be sharing that later. And coffee and water that they replenish daily. And you can get a big pack of 24 waters. Over here is where my two littles stayed. Got the queen bed that pulls out on the couch, and then you also have snacks that they deliver daily. And here's the outside balcony, which was pretty amazing. It had 2 chairs and a lounge seat, and I spent pretty much every day out here just enjoying the views as we pulled into each port. There's also the Hubbard Glacier. The ship did a 360, so we had a great view just sitting right here on this balcony. And when we pulled into some ports, you could see some bald eagles, some whales. It was just a great trip.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. We really enjoyed the Norwegian Joy staying in the Haven, not only because of the amazing amenities, but also because we met new families that homeschool in Texas, actually close to where we're going to be living, and excited to make them our new friends. We actually booked another cruise with them and are excited to share our homeschool journey, not only with what we do on a daily basis, but the traveling we do and the tech that we use in our family. If you liked our videos, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. As always, have a blessed day.